Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to bring two fronts in Canva. After starting Canva, we can choose a template to create a design. I will use presentation, so I click it. After a presentation design page is created, if we want to add image, we can go to Uploads and then go to Upload Files, or we can go to Upload Files by the apps. I have uploaded the image before, so I click to add the image into design page. Next, we can add another elements. For example, I add the square and change it to rectangle and change the shape to blue. And also we can add text box. I go to text and add a text box. This is quite small. I want to put to here and increase the size to make it obvious. I use 40 and make it bold and change it to white. So we have three elements here: the photo, the shape, and the text box. Now, if you want to bring the elements to front, we can select one of them and then go to position and then go to layers. We can find the layers order. So if you want to put the image to the front, we can click and drag to put to the top, so the image is in the front. If you want to put the shape to the front, we can put it in the top in the layers order. So something we can put the text box to the top. We can bring the text to the front. So this is how we can bring to the front in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.